Hello, my name is Ángela Castellanos. I am from Bogotá. I live in Soacha. I neighbor Los Olivos. I am a student Contaduría in the UNAT. I am 43 years old. My father is constructor. His name Osvaldo. I'm 62 years old. He is Colombian. My mother is Olga. She is high and 60 years old. I have two sisters and two brothers. My sister Joanna and 45 years old. She is in hospital Mederi in Bogotá. My sister Paola, she is 30 years old. She works as chef. My brother is Ervin. He is 40 years old. Is work constructor. My brother is Roger. He is 35 years old. He works in salt. I live on one apartment. It is small. This room with a large activity having a busy table and the tall is there alone. Also tumble and clock. I have a room with a mirror, big bang shower. My living room has fireplace and dining room. For finalists, it has parking for one car. My location, it has a very new 3 more, 6 park and the money store, hospital and restaurant.